Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial we will learn how to perform panel linear regression in R. So for that, first of all we will import the dataset. So this is our dataset where we have data on different banks. We have given bank ID to different banks, and then we have data starting from 2004 to 2017. So we have the panel data on different bank specific variables. So first of all we will attach this file. So now we have attached the file. So before performing the panel regression, we have to install a package uh, that is PLM, stands for panel linear models. So this is a package, so I have already installed it. You can install it, and then we have to library PLM. So now we will check the levels of our dataset so that it would be easy for us to enter the regression equation. So here are the levels. So before performing panel regression, we have to tell R that this is a panel data. So in other words, we have to set the data frame. So I will name it as my data is equal to p data dot frame, and then we will enter the name of the dataset, which is panel for R. Then I will type index. Now I will define the cross-sectional and time series ID. So the cross-sectional ID is bank code as I dictated earlier. Then this should be within inverted commas. Then I will type the time component, which is year. So here we have decided the data frame. Then we will execute this. Now R knows that this is a panel data, so now we can perform panel regression. So for example, we want to save our panel regression in my results. Then is equal to PLM, and then we will enter the dependent variable. Say for example, our dependent variable is log BSI, and now we will enter independent variables one by one. Post this symbol. Say for example, our independent variables are L and Z. Then we will insert the plus symbol and insert the other independent variables and then TA. Then we can enter the another variables log wound, then another variable, say log inefficiency, say for example. Now we will enter another independent variables log, say ROA for example. So now we will dictate the data is equal to, now we have to enter the name of the data which we defined in the in data frame. So it is my data. Then model, so we will be using pooled regression, so we have to type pooling. So now we can execute this command. So yeah, we have executed this command, and we have obtained the result in a file named my results. So we can now get our results by just getting the summary of our results. So type summary, and then we will type name of the file which we given for our result sheet, my results, and then we will run it. So here we have obtained the results. So it is telling us this is an unbalanced panel, and number of banks are 87, and there are total observations are 733, and then these are the residuals. So here are the coefficients of interest. This is the intercept, and then we can see there are multiple variables which are significant in our model at different levels: 1%, 5%, and 10%. R square, adjusted R square, and the f statistics and p value. So this is how you perform panel regression in R. I hope you learned something from this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.